So sorry. Hold on. Do you have anything to take? Did you take any water? I have just the right medicine for you.
Viewers, God, I'm confused.
Did you see that guy? That is actually what many of you do.
I didn't know our mind.
I tell you that.
Whenever you experience hiccups. But does it really work? Over time, Dubawa has come across many claims that placing a strand of wood on a baby's head can stop hiccups. So we did some digging. Many things can cause hiccups, like eating too much or too quickly, drinking carbonated drinks, alcohol, or even overexcitement. Multiple studies have recommended ways of relaxing the diaphragm when experiencing hiccups. Some of them include measuring your breath, holding your breath, breathing into a paper bag, holding your knees, or compressing your chest. In other situations, patients are even placed on drug therapy. But in the worst case scenario, they could even get an injection into their phrenic nerve, but that is usually through a surgical procedure. So, you see, there is no scientific evidence that connects stopping hiccups with placing a strand of wood on the head, just like this.
You get it? If you don't get it, forget about it.
Now, tell us in the comment section, who taught you what you've always believed about hiccups?